Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is which app is paysafe. Now, I'm not going to give you a straight answer to that question right away. Instead, I want to take some time to explain what paysafe is and why it's important to know which app is using it. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a payment service provider that offers a variety of online payment solutions. It's used by millions of people around the world to make secure and convenient payments. Paysafe offers a variety of products and services, including Paysafe Card. This is a prepaid card that can be used to make online and offline purchases. Paysafe Pay. This is a payment gateway that allows you to accept payments from a variety of sources, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Paysafe Merchant Solutions. This is a suite of products and services that helps businesses accept payments online and in person. Why is it important to know which app is using paysafe? There are a few reasons why it's important to know which app is using paysafe. Security. Paysafe is a highly secure payment service provider. However, not all apps that use paysafe are equally secure. It's important to choose an app that has a strong security track record. Convenience. Some apps that use paysafe offer more features and functionality than others. It's important to choose an app that offers the features that you need. Cost. Some apps that use paysafe charge fees for their services. It's important to choose an app that offers affordable pricing. How to find out which app is using paysafe? There are a few ways to find out which app is using paysafe. Check the app's website. Most apps that use paysafe have a section on their website that lists their payment methods. Contact the app's customer support. You can contact the app's customer support and ask them which payment methods they accept. Look for paysafe branding. Some apps that use paysafe display paysafe branding on their website or in their app. Which app is the best for using paysafe? There are a number of apps that use paysafe. The best app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. However, here are a few things to consider when choosing an app. Security. Look for an app that has a strong security track record. Convenience. Look for an app that offers the features that you need. Cost. Look for an app that offers affordable pricing. Here are a few apps that use paysafe. Skrill. Skrill is a popular e-wallet that can be used to make online payments. It's available in over 200 countries and supports a variety of currencies. Neteller. Neteller is another popular e-wallet that can be used to make online payments. It's available in over 200 countries and supports a variety of currencies. Entropay. Entropay is a prepaid virtual card that can be used to make online payments. It's available in a number of countries and supports a variety of currencies. PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment service that can be used to make payments to businesses and individuals. It's available in over 200 countries and supports a variety of currencies. I hope this information helps you choose the right app for using paysafe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. What are your thoughts on paysafe? Have you ever used it before? Let me know in the comments below. I'm also interested in hearing about other apps that use paysafe. If you know of any other good ones, please share them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day.